Hello everybody, welcome to Makistoys. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'm going to do this a little fast because, well, this actually took quite a long time. Because the clear slime from Toys R Us, the crazy slime stuff, takes about double the amount of borax in order to activate. So, this took me a little bit longer than a normal slime video because it takes a while to make. So, I'm going to go through the steps of just adding the clear slime, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add actually not adding clear slime, what am I talking about? Adding clear glue, and then I'm going to mix it up, turn it into like slime, and then I'm going to separate it into two pieces and start to work in a blue and a red piece, and it'll be cool. But like I said, it takes a lot of borax in order to activate. And it'll seem like it's activating a little early, but it's not. It's just a trick. It takes a while. So anyway, enjoy. Watch this video. Share it with a friend. Tell your neighbor. And have fun. All the people who got into the slime thing, that's why there was a shortage of glue, is because there's parents who were jumping to the idea that their kids could make millions on YouTube. Well, that's just not gonna happen. I mean, maybe, but I mean, this should be a labor of love, not something that's like, you know, oh, well, there's no money in this, I gotta go. You know, because that's just stupid. This is some crazy looking stuff. Like, okay, so in person, it looks super red. On camera, it looks like fruit jerky or fruit leather. So we'll take our red one and lay it out like that. Then we'll take our We'll take our no. It's from the same batch. How can that be stretchy and this one not? Why? Because you need to go slow. This stuff you can't move fast with. You gotta go slow. Boom, and then we're gonna roll it. Slime Galactic Sushi. Boom. Slime croissant. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Look at how just neat that looks.
Time to kick it old school.
I mean, that looks almost as good as the most expensive slime in the world that I made right here on Makistoys. Look at that. Boom. Cosmic craziness. This is some cool stuff. Well, I can only think of one other thing to do, and that is to tell you about this wonderful thing called subscribing. When you subscribe to Makistoys and you hit that little bell icon, you will know when I upload. But if you don't know when I upload, it's every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, hit that subscribe button, like this video, like that blue thumb, ooh yeah, ooh, blue thumb, and also, leave a comment, say, hey Makistoys, shout me out, because when I hit 100 subscribers, I'll start shouting people out, because that way, other people will start to grow fast, because right now, my audience is a little low, and I want to help everyone out, so, yeah. Say, Makistoys, shout me out. Or I came for the shout outs. Subscribe, and I'll do it. Alright, have a good night. Day, morning, whatever it is.